Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain about how to play the piano for beginners, and also I'm going to explain about how to understand the musical notes so quickly. So in that sense, you'll be identifying the exact notes on how to play or how to understand the notes of each song. Any song it can be, either it can be a Tamil song or Bollywood songs or Western classical song, with anything it can be. It makes you to understand the exact notes for any song and then understand the musical notes and then play what kind of songs you want. So today, me myself as easy musician is going to give how to play the piano as a tutorial, as a step-by-step procedure. So let's go for the lesson now. So today I'm going to tell you how to read the musical notes so easily and play the piano instantly. So by starting off with, I'll be explaining with the rudiments of the notes. What is rudiments? Rudiments is like what is the exact placements and positions of the note. And I'll be starting with the name of each note and the fingering of each note, so that it will be easy for you to understand and replicate the things when you're about to practice the piano in your free time. So by starting off with, let me tell you, there are 7 musical notes which is called Sarigama Padanisa. By in Western classical that is called as C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So I'm very comfortable in Western classical because I'm a Western classical pianist. So I'll be explaining in an alphabets of C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So I'll be explaining the fingerings too. So by starting up with the fingerings will be like you'll be starting the scale from thumb finger and you'll be completing the scale in little finger. So you'll be starting up the scale in thumb finger and you'll be completing the scale in little finger. By starting up with this C note here. So that is the first musical note. You'll be starting here. Before starting that, I'm gonna tell you what is the exact position, why we are starting this particular note here. It's because it's called an octave. For example, I told earlier we have 7 musical notes. By starting up with, we have 7 musical notes. By starting with C and we've been ending with C, like that it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So by starting up with like this, so that is called an octave. Before completing the topic, so that is called octave. What is an octave? A scale where you are starting from C and ending to the another C. So that is called an octave. We have 5 octaves in this keyboard. For example, this is also the C. If you could see, there are 2 sharp keys here, 2 black keys and 3 black keys here. So just ignore the place where you have 3 black keys and just take the keys where you have 2 black keys. So we have 2 black keys here. The one which is this one, the another one is which is next to that black key. So the note which is below that first black key is called C. Wherever you are seeing that song, you're seeing that particular note C, you can identify by identifying the sharp notes. For example, you have 2 black notes here. So that stands as a reason. The note which is below that sharp notes, this black note, it's called C. And moving to here, we are ignoring the notes here because we have 3 black keys here, so we are just ignoring it. We have to see only the black notes which is like appropriate 2 sharp keys like this. For example, this is the first key and this is the second C. So the note which is below sharp notes is called C. Okay, so now by starting the note, by starting the first note, the fingering will be thumb finger, second finger, third finger, and then again we'll be starting from first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I'll be repeating now. We'll be starting from the thumb finger. Thumb finger is like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So by fingering, it's like first finger, second finger, third finger, and then first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. So I'm going to start this song. Start this particular scale in C. Why I'm starting this particular scale, C in this particular note? Because we have 2 sharp keys here, as I explained before. The 2 sharp keys and then the note which is below the first sharp key will be C. So we'll be starting that C note in thumb finger. So that is thumb finger as C, second finger as D, third finger as E, and then fourth finger as F, second finger as G, and again third finger as A, fourth finger as B, and then first finger as C. I do repeat now. So we are starting the C note in thumb finger, first finger, second finger, third finger, and then moving back to first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. So the notes will be like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I do repeat now. So it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So this is the basic scale which comes in Western classical. In any type of genre you play the music in it. So the very fundamental scale that you have to dwell with is like the scale called is C major. What you're playing now is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So the 7 notes is called C major. C major is a scale. For example, we can take our national anthem. So that is one particular song which has been composed in C major. So it goes like. So it goes like that. If you could see the root of the song, I mean the note which I'm playing, I'll be moving in the root what I'm explaining now. So it will be starting from the C, and then it will be moving to the same space, like it will be starting from the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and in between you have seen like I've used this black note. So that is called F sharp. I'll be explaining it a little bit later. But since this is C major, they have used F sharp, so that is called accidental, which is one accidental note which is not in C major. Okay, so that depends upon the composer and the song. So as I'm explaining now, our national anthem, it goes under the scale called C major, and the root of the scale is starting from the C, that is 2 sharp scale. I mean the 2 sharp keys, and beneath the 2 sharp keys will be our first note called C. So that is, we'll be playing in first finger. So that is C, second finger D, third finger E, fourth finger, I mean first finger F, and again second finger G, third finger A, fourth finger B, and fifth finger C. So this is called C major. So as of now, I've explained the fingering from our left hand. Okay, just take it a note, or just have in mind what all the note that we are playing in right hand. We'll be naming it as treble clef in Western classical. Since you're very new to music, either it can be you are from a different age, either you'll be seeing this video, I doesn't know what is the exact age of you. You can be 18 plus, you can be 40 plus, and also you can be 60 plus, I doesn't know. But the thing is, my music or the teaching has to be very quick and very instant, so that it will be easy for you to understand the things and work very instantly. So that is the main ultimate motive of my teaching. Especially I'm gonna explaining the note which comes in left hand. I'm gonna explain you what all the fingering that you have to play that C major in left hand. Okay, so now, as also I've explained this 2 sharp keys, and the note which comes under this first sharp key, the first black note, is called C normally. Okay, but the thing is, you'll be starting the left hand with little finger, and you'll be ending that scale in left hand with thumb finger. It's like totally contrast or opposite what you have played in right hand. In right hand you have started this scale in thumb finger, and you have completed that scale in little finger. But when you're playing, it's not only the scale, but also what are the songs that you're playing. What are the song? For example, if you are playing any song in C major, you'll be playing the fingering, especially which is very contrast to the right hand. For example, if you have played the C in thumb finger, like first finger in right hand, you'll be playing in last finger, that is called fifth finger in left hand. So with not further ado, let me explain how to play the C major in left hand. So we'll be starting from the C as in little finger, so that is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I'll explain now. I'll repeat in fingering. So that is fifth finger, fourth finger, third finger, second finger, first finger, and then moving back to third finger, second finger, first finger. I'll repeat now. So that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again 3, 2, 1. So in fifth finger we'll be playing C. So that is C in fifth finger, fourth finger in D, third finger in E, second finger in F, thumb finger in G, and then you'll be swapping this finger. The position of this fingering will be like this, which is not beneath like what you have played in right hand. It should be like this. So that is, and again third finger you'll be playing A and B. So that will be in second finger. The first finger, as usual, you'll be in next octave C. So that is second octave C, and this is called third octave C. So I do repeat now. I'll be playing the notes. So that is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So that is fifth finger. So like C, D, E, F, G, swapping the finger. Third finger A, second finger B, first finger C. So it goes like that. So in further video, I'm going to explain you how to play a song by using this C major. For example, let me play a snippet of the song of what you're going to learn from this next video. So it's called Sheaf of Melody. So it's starting like C. So the right hand, it is very easy. Since you have a knowledge of what I explained now, I'll be explaining the I have explained the fingering now, especially. So it start off with C, D in first finger, D in second finger, E in third finger, and appropriate fingers like that. But in left hand, what I played is I played the arpeggio, which is called a piano style of arpeggio now. So that is called. So that is the particular song what you're going to read from the next video. So if you have any keyboard or a piano, it will be more than enough for you to read the notes and then play the song from your home. So that is the main ultimate motto of Easy Musician myself. So this is the song that you're going to play, and as I'm explained earlier, so by this left hand, no, I've played this arpeggio style. But as for the fundamental or basic, you'll be playing this left hand as fifth finger, third finger, and first finger. I mean the first note of a scale, third note of a scale, and first note of a scale. So first note of a scale, third note of a scale, fifth note of a scale. So that is C, E, G, and then moving back to A minor. So that is A, C, E. First note of a scale, third note of a scale, fifth note of a scale. So these are the things which you're going to read from this further video. So if you have any suggestions regarding I have to post any songs or I have to give any notes for your favorite song, just comment me so that it will be easy for me to do a video along with this notes, so that it will be easy for the people who are watching this video. For further videos, please do share, subscribe, and comment to our channel called Easy Musician, so that it will be useful for us to provide the information videos regarding the music. Press the bell icon just next to the subscribe button so that I'll reach you to your doorstep very fastly. Cheers.